opportunity to do that. It's not our job.
In a vibrant display of cultural heritage and economic significance, Meghalaya enthusiastically participated in the nationwide celebration of National Handloom Day 2023. The event took place at the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT Shillong campus. The occasion was graced by Textile Minister Paul Lingdor. The event at NIFT Shillong served as a platform to showcase the intricate craftsmanship and artistic prowess of handloom weavers, bringing attention to the traditional techniques and creativity that define this industry.
Participants, artisans, faculty members and...
Certainly, Meghalaya has arrived in terms of the skills that we have been able to ingrain in ourselves and inherited from our ancestors. I'm happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers